Hey, hey everyone. Thanks for joining me on a Saturday night. I am gonna be trying to get Zero to Jupyter Hub and Polynote to work together. I'm wearing my America-ish stuff because it's Independence Day, or will be soon-ish. Um, and this is my first Independence Day. I guess my first one was technically last year as a green card holder. But it feels like the first one because like I can actually go out and see people. So I'm excited for that. I'm also excited to see if I can make this thing work. I don't know. So where we left off last week, I think, was I was building the Polynote image to be cross-platform. I didn't know how long it was going to take, so I decided, you know what, let's call it. And so now we're gonna deploy it. Doot. So yeah. Let's see what we can do this. My in theory, my friends are coming over so we can go clubbing. Um, but like everything runs on like queer time, so like there's a good chance that like ah it's gonna yeah, whatever. We'll see how it goes. I got coffee. I'm hoping they show up before. Well, actually, I'm hoping that like I get this working, then they show up like, 10 minutes afterwards. And then we can go clubbing. And I'm hoping that these things all work relatively quickly, but like I get to do something interesting. So with that being said, let's see here. No, that's some Spark stuff. Spark stuff. This is some like Docker stuff. Okay, I guess probably yeah, here. Okay. Okay, yeah. Um yeah, you know what? Let's go ahead. We're going to go to Jupyter. Okay. So for context, um I did sort of like what I figured the simplest thing would be. And I just made this cube spawner override just point to Polynote dev. And it's possible that when I press start, it'll just work. I don't know. The odds are not great, but like, okay, let's take a look at the pods that are coming up in that namespace. So we see this pod is coming up. It's initializing Jupyter Holden K. Sort of what we would expect. kubectl. Okay. Which one did it assign it to? Kate's worker NV1. Okay, so that's assigned to an ARM machine. Ooh. Hmm. Okay, so that's a party. Wait, what? Um. Okay, so it looks like it's trying to run this like Jupyter Hub single user command. And that's not a party. It's expecting server. So, oh, okay. This makes sense. This makes sense. So if we go up, we can see here what's configured in this. Here we go. So these are the arguments that it's configured with. And these arguments like don't make a lot of sense to zero. Right. So let's go take a look over on Polynote. We're gonna go take a look in the Docker directory. Maybe there might be something in there. Looking good. Okay. So, okay. Yeah, make a config.yaml file with the following contents. Okay. So, okay. Opt config.yaml. So this looks like it's probably setting up some mounts. It looks like by default, it's the port we're caring about is 8192. Oh, cool. Okay, that's Spark UI ports. Oh, okay, yeah. So they actually do describe everything that. Okay, I love it. I love it. So we got to figure out essentially how to do this from the JupyterHub launcher. That's going to be tricky. But not impossible, I don't think. Okay, so args. Okay. Can I change the args? Because that would be great. Let's see if we can change the arguments in our cube spawner override. Okay. Cube spawner override args. Okay, yeah. Okay. So I want to override something here. Probably, I think. So can I? Is args an option? Or that might be. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So one option that I'm thinking of, and this is maybe a little sketchy, but I think it might simplify my life. Yeah, so this is kind of sketch, but I think it's gonna be what I do. Because I just want to get this thing working. Do I just want to get this working right away, or do I want to like get it working nicely? Let me check and see if my friends have left the South Bay yet. If my friends have left the South Bay, we're gonna hack it. And if my friends haven't left the South Bay, okay, they've left the South Bay. We're just gonna fucking hack it. Okay. So what I'm gonna do here. Polynote. We're going to make a new entry point. Yeah, and so this entry node is Polynote. I think. Wait, okay, this does a copy. Okay. Okay, let's go up. Okay, so we're gonna go into scripts, and what we're gonna do is interesting. Jupyter fake launch.py. And actually, this is what I'm going to do instead, because I could rebuild these images, but I don't want to. And so this is the dev Docker file. And what I'm going to do is we're going to make the Jupyter Docker file. And from, well, we'll just do Holden K for now. Polynote dev. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab this fake launch to Polynote, and then we're just going to go ahead and we're going to use it. Actually, fuck it. This doesn't have to be a. This is going to be a shell script. Okay. Ignore pretty much everything. Jupyter Launcher tells us. Okay. So then, actually, let me replace. EOF, is that? Actually, no, this is too jank. What I'm gonna do here. What port was it that we saw this thing was trying to be configured on 888? Ah, I dig it. Oh, this hurts. Okay, so so I'm just guessing that it's called port. Like, honest, maybe I could look. I'm not... yeah, fine, okay. Whatever. Okay. We're just gonna guess that it's port for now because that's probably what it is. And if it isn't, we'll figure it out later. Okay. So let's go ahead and we're gonna go less Docker readme. And we're not gonna bother configuring the storage because like yeah. It's just gonna be the working dir, which actually yeah, the work dir does matter. Which yeah, dig it. I remember this. This was the thing that mattered. I actually do need to configure the storage location. I'm gonna take a look. PVC, volume Holden K. Okay, where it's mounted? Configured. Here we go. Storage is gonna be do I have to configure mounts? Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. We don't have any examples, so we're fine with that, I think. Actually, I guess this is op notebooks examples. Although we should do that in the Docker file. Let's do that in the Docker file. There we go. Copy over the default examples. Script to ignore everything we tell it. I'm sure that's useful. And then this is going to be docker /jupyter /config.yml is going to go to whatever. Cool. And then what we'll do is we will go ahead and yeehaw. Nope. Oh, okay. That mounts the notebooks into op notebooks. So we actually want to oh, that's this is actually not gonna work. So we would have to do that. Okay. Examples copied. Okay, and so then what we'll do is we'll copy. There's an examples. Okay, where is it? Docker run. Come on. /op/notebooks. Sounds good. So we'll copy notebooks into op notebooks. That sounds fine. And then here, what we'll do polynote.py. Okay, cool. So I think this might do the trick. I admittedly don't have much proof of this theory, but I think it could work. What are we gonna do? Integrate with zero-to-jupyter-hub. There we go. Cool. So the sketch, but I think that'll do the trick. Okay, Docker build X. Oh wait, that's oh wait, yeah, no, that is right. Okay. 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 Looks like my friends are unloading the stuff that they're moving. Oh, cool. Okay. Doot. I am not the developer of Polynote. I'm just some random person. Also, hi, Princess. Okay. So it says it ships with like some default examples, but I'm not. Okay, let's copy. Let's see if it did. No. Okay. Actually, I'm curious. Target dist Polynote examples. So I am. I mean, just to. Yes, fair. I would say for the context of this, I'm just some like random person, like Docker, Jupyter. Okay. I'm gonna get rid of this one just so that we more closely match the thing. So I don't know if this is gonna work. I hope it does, because I think Polynote looks really cool. But it looks like it doesn't have the best like multi-user Kubernetes experience available in open source yet. So if I can just plug it into the Jupyter ecosystem, which has like a pretty solid like ecosystem, then like I would call that a win. Okay. It is looking like, yeah, cool. So it looks like it built successfully for AMD 64. It will probably build successfully for ARM 64 because this doesn't do much interesting. So what I'm going to do is fuck my brain. Okay, I'm trying to drink coffee to get ready for the club while I also try and finish this before my friends get here from the South Bay. Okay. That looks solid. That looks solid. Okay, yeah, that's what I need to do. I need to go and update my config.yaml, the actual full one, and we're going to switch this to Polynote Jupyter. Are delicious, I hope. Okay, and so then what we'll do, I think it was here. Yeah, okay. Let's see if there is a, okay, it looks like it's gone. So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna do, no, Helm upgrade. There we go. And then so if we do this Helm upgrade, my hope is, yeah, so it's gonna terminate and restart the hub. And so like the spawn failed. Okay, we got a new hub up. Solid. Now I need to wait. Yeah. Um. Yeah. You've so you have a point. Um. For yeah. Yeah. Distracting me even more while I try and like do my barely work. Okay. Polynote Jupyter. That's there. So we're gonna press launch. Yeehaw. And now I'm gonna go ahead. kubectl describe pod dash n jhub kubectl logs dash n jhub dash f. Okay. Okay. So it looks like it did come up, but it's not listening to the port that I was hoping it would. So I was hoping telling it to listen. Oh, it said it loaded configuration from opt-config config.yaml. Okay. So Jupyter fake launch. Opt config config.yml. Yeah, that looks solid. Config.yml. Okay. So I am curious as to why it's saying op notebooks examples does not exist when we've copied this. So cool. Oh no, it's saying opt config. Where am I copying it to? Slash config. Oh, this makes sense. I pointed it to the wrong config file. Thank you. Okay, that looks solid. No, you were right. That I was pointing it to the wrong place. Hella on point. The other thing that I'm not so sure about is this like examples not being found. So maybe I get copy and add mixed up with what they do. So, but like, this could be right. Let's give it a shot. Oh, is there a pull policy that we configure? Pull. Well, actually, yeah, let's go take a look at what the container pull policy is. Container ID, is there a pull policy? Or is that a pod level thing? I don't remember. I don't remember if the pull policy is always Polynote dev. So this container container ID. Whatever. Okay. Let's press. Let's just see if this will pull a fresh container. We'll find out. I do not know. That switched to running far too quickly. Yeah. No. Okay. So that's not going to pull a fresh container. So I guess we actually need to like give this like meaningful tags. Well, by meaningful I mean unique. So not actually meaningful. That's fine though. That's fine. So then what we'll do here is we'll go. Is it upgrade or update? I always get them mixed up. Update? Trailing slash on my directory copy? Oh, here. Or in Jupyter Fake Launch. No. Oh yeah, no, it's supposed to put the examples directory inside the notebook directory. Yeah. So the idea is that this would be opt notebooks examples. Is the target, I think. I don't know if it's okay. Okay. Cool. Yeah, that's very possible. And so oh, did I actually change the version in the thing? Yeah, it's dev 0. Okay. So this is going to take a hot minute. Okay, running. Go back there. Okay, it's listening on the right port now because the opt examples thing didn't work. Oh, what? Hmm. 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 Proxy web user Holden K 2. So, huh. Uh, hmm. Yeah, that looks like semi-reasonable, I guess. Okay. Hmm. Okay. So let's say we look at the Polynote logs. This says it's listening there, and like presumably kubectl exec. That's interesting. And by interesting, I mean I would expect it to have an HTTP response, right? Like, hmm. Huh. Netstat sudo. Hmm. Hmm. Let's just do that, I guess. So that wouldn't explain it though. So PS isn't installed. Hmm. Who am I? Poly, supposedly. Okay. Okay, I have permission. What's in the poly directory? Interesting name given what I'm going to be doing tonight. Okay. So it's listening, right? Like that's what we're seeing here is that it's presumably listening. No, that doesn't. Oh. Huh. I don't have okay. Wait, what? Oh, I don't have the PS command. I probably don't have netstat then. Why do I have wget? This is weird. Okay. Why am I not able, like, I would expect to see something in the logs about like Okay, so if I run this, right. Okay, at the very least that gives me a stack trace. Which is saying op polynote static index.html does not exist. Huh. Why? Huh. That's weird. Because this is, in theory, layered on top of the base polynote image, which it's possible the base polynote image is missing things. So I could see that. I could see that. Let's find this index.html. Okay, Polynote front end. Yeah, not referenced anywhere. Okay. And you are saying when I do that wget, where are you looking for this? Polynote static. Okay, so Polynote front end is just missing. Okay, I mean, that's fine, I guess. This is weird. I don't know why it's not present. Maybe I'm missing something. Let's go look at the last read. Yeah. What are the mounts that it wants me to set up? It wants me to set up config. But like that's these examples are like so out of date that they don't make sense even. Huh. Okay. Well, whatever. Or is it add? I don't. Whatever. I. Let's look at Dockerfile copy versus add, because like I feel like I'm. Oh. Huh. Okay, let's just do copy. And I guess this like config.yml, like huh. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's see. Okay. They were supposed to be here at 11, but thankfully they run on queer time, just like my programming. So, yeah. Let's build dev 1. See if this makes any more sense. Oh yeah, I was having to look up some stuff. Someone asked me about my books on the last stream. Okay. Let's see here. Oh yeah, okay. I want to stop my Jupyter. Oh. Huh. That's interesting. I have no way to stop my Jupyter server. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so this is a little janky, but maybe it'll work. Okay. Is the dev... Oh, interesting. Okay. Copy failed? Okay, but they can't spell very well. Maybe it's just a copy pasta error. Hmm. Yeah, that is like, why is this not working? Like I know this is here. Why isn't it making, do I have something weird going on with my free space? Okay. Maybe, okay, maybe, is this, hey, okay. Docs exists. I don't, okay. ls docs, yeah. ls. There's nothing special about Polynote front end compared to docs. What the I hate computers. Oh. What the fuck does this mean? Okay. Docker failed to share RPC code. Yeah. Failed to compute cache. This doesn't. Uh. Oh. Okay. Or let's go get status. Okay. It's not in the default get ignores, but what? Okay. If this is the thing, let me go see if that's my friends. Oh yeah, that looks like it's them. Okay. So, like I said, I was gonna give this until my friends got here, and so they're here, which is great because now I can go out clubbing. And it does look like it was some weird shit with my Git context. To do figure out why I had to copy Polynote front end. Oh, you're cute as fuck. Do you want to come say hi to people? Cool. This is Mika. Girlfriend. I pressed the button, but it's not switching. Probably there is. Oh, I'm making silly mistakes because it is night. Anyways, this is Mika. Timbit is upset because there are new friends over, and he is not. Whenever there's a new friend over, it takes a few times. You can come and say hello to if you want, but you also don't have to. I'm streaming because I'm a complete nerd.
Hello.
This is Gemma.
Oh, I don't know if people can see me.
They can. It's just on a delay. Because like that's the YouTube view. If you look down here, you can see your nose, like one eye.
Whoa.
Okay, now I can see your shoulder. Anyways, this has been solid. We're gonna go clubbing.
Yay.
It did build. I am gonna. Before we go clubbing, if it's okay, I'm gonna bump this version number from 1 to 2, and I'm gonna update my config file to point to version 2. So for when I get back, I can give it a shot tomorrow morning. Thanks everyone. It's been real cool. Yeah, I'm gonna go do things more fun than computers. Bye. Nah. Well, I won't stop. Why is it not stopping? Computer!
Oh no.
Oh no. Okay, OBS is